Good morning. This is again IT University of Copenhagen, Foundation of Computing, Discrete Mathematics MSc exam. This is we are solving December 2022 exam. We have already solved in previous video question number 1 to 3 of this question paper. Today we will be solving two most important questions. One is on modulus, question number 4, and another one is principle of mathematical induction. This is very important question and 12 points marked question will come from this topic. So the first question is, which of the following statement is false? They are giving us 4 statements and we have to choose which of them is false. So we will be checking for everything, for all options. So first we are going to write it again, which of the following statement is false. Now first of all, let me to tell you what is A is congruent to B modulo M. A is congruent to B modulo M. This will be true if and only if A minus B divided by M is going to give me a integer number. If K is integer, then I will say that this sentence is true. So 5 is congruent to 10 modulo 5. This is my first part. So 5 minus 10 divided by 5 is minus 1, and minus 1 is integer. So this sentence is true. Okay, this is true. They are asking me to search for a false statement. Next is n is congruent to 2n modulo 2. Means n minus 2n divided by 2 should be, what is this? N minus 2n is minus n by 2. So it can be integer or cannot be integer depending upon the value of n. But they are asking for all n this should happen. No, this will happen for even n only. If n is even 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it will be integer. Otherwise this is not integer. So I am writing that this does not belongs to Z for all n belongs to natural number. Therefore this sentence is false. Option 3, let us check option 3 and 4 also, so that we will have a broad look over the topic, what type of question they are giving us. Part C, n is congruent to n plus 3 modulo 3. Plus 3, yes, n plus 3 modulo 3. This n plus 3 is must be written like this. So n minus n plus 3 divided by 3, which is equal to n minus n minus 3 divided by 3, which is equal to minus 1. This belongs to integer. So this sentence is also true. Next I am leaving up to you. Calculate whether minus 7 is equivalent to 5 modulo 6 and tell me whether it is true or not. Also tell me in your comments that whether these question is helping you and which type of question you want to solve, you want to solve, and I will make a video over those questions. So this is also true. If you will check, this will also be true. So this is the answer, which is false. Next question is on principle of mathematical induction. The question is, prove using mathematical induction n square plus 5n plus 2 is even for all integers n positive, for all integers. Okay. So they are saying that for all integers, for all n belongs to integer, you have to prove that Pn, which is saying that n square plus 5n plus 2 is even. You have to prove that Pn is true. Okay. So this is the, for all n belongs to integer, but n is positive also. So you can, n is not negative. So you can write it as z plus also. This is your question. So what is principle of mathematical induction? Principle of mathematical induction says three steps. Number one, basis of induction. Number two, induction hypothesis. Number three is inductive step, induction hypothesis. And number three is inductive step, main important induction step. So basis of induction, we will prove that theorem. We will prove P0 is true. P0 is true. What was Pn? N square plus 5n plus 2 is even. So here, if I want to put n equal to 0, I will get 0 square plus 5 into 0 plus 2, which is coming out to be 2, and we know that 2 is even. Therefore, P0 is true. So, base case we have proved that this is true. Next is